Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Today I'm going to be showing you a super easy and a super yummy all-time favorite date and walnut cake. It's one of the very fast sellers in all our stores, and I guess it's one of the favorites of everyone around. It's super easy to make, it's yummy, and it stays well. So let's get started. The date and walnut cake, we will be using flour. We will be using seedless chopped dates, sugar, butter, eggs, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla essence, walnuts, and a little milk to correct the consistency with. First, we will take the flour to which we will add the baking powder and the baking soda, and we will mix it around. If you want, you can also sieve it at this time to get an even distribution of the powders. Once this is mixed, we will keep this aside. The butter in a bowl and start creaming it. To this, we will add the sugar and start creaming it further. We've added the sugar and we are creaming the butter till it is light and fluffy. To this, we will start adding the eggs. After adding the eggs, we will continue beating. Once it is mixed well, to this we will add the vanilla essence. To this batter, we will add in the flour and mix it gently. To this batter, we will add the dates that we have chopped and kept aside and mix this around. As you can see, the batter is slightly stiff. So at this point, we will be adding a little bit of the milk to give it a nice flowy consistency. You can use in the milk that we had given. You need not use all, but use enough to give it like a nice consistency so that it is nice and flowing like a pound cake batter. Now once this is done, we will take the walnuts and put all of it inside and mix this. Once this is mixed, this is ready to be baked. We will use a 6-inch tin which has been lined and greased, and we will put the batter inside this tin and we will be baking it at about 160 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. The date and walnut cake is ready to be enjoyed.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।